Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and review of a smart fitness band from XECH. There's an article about this band on Economic Times. I'll leave the link in the description, do check it out. Now let's take a look at the box before unboxing it. There is some details about the product on the side of the box. You can accept or reject calls using this fitness band. You can also get notification of messages. You can track your running. It can be also used as an alarm clock, and it also has a care feature. On the back side, they listed some technical parameters and functions of the fitness band. It runs on an NRF 52832 CPU. It has a 0.96 IPS display with a resolution of 116:80 dpi. It has an 85 mAh battery that lasts for 7 to 12 days. It also has an IP67 waterproofing. Coming down to the functions, they provided a lot of details here. You can pause the video if you wish to read it. They also provided the QR code to download their app. That's all for the details. Now let's open the box and we'll see what's inside it. Here's the fitness band. It was packed really well. Let's take it out of the box. The band feels really nice in hands. The display was protected with a cover. Now let's keep this aside and we'll take a look at the box and we'll see what's more inside it. There's a box with the XECH branding. Let's see what's inside it. An user manual is provided with the box. They also provided a black color pouch with the XECH branding for carrying the fitness band while not using it. That's all for the unboxing. Now let's take a look at the fitness band. So here's the band. The band feels really nice in hands. The display is protected with a sticker. Let's remove it before taking a look. The display looks quite good indeed, but it is highly reflective, so you might have problems using it in direct sunlight. The band feels really nice in hands. It was made of good quality materials. The band feels rough on the outer part and feels soft on the inner side. That makes it durable and comfortable at the same time. They also provided a buckle with a strap so that it won't get off easily from your hands. Overall, the band is really good when compared with other fitness bands available in the same price range. The main feature of this fitness band is that its heart rate sensor. XECH provided a heart rate sensor, whereas the other brands failed to do so. That's all for the unboxing. Now let's see how it performs. The battery is drained for packaging purposes. Now let's power it up and we'll see how it performs. The fitness tracker itself is an USB dongle, so that we don't need an additional charger to charge it. It's a bit hard to get the USB out of the band, but you'll get used to it. So here's the USB. Now let's connect it to a power bank and we'll see how much time will it take to charge it. You can see that it's charging now. Let's keep it for a while. After a few minutes of charging, I can boot it up. Now I'm going to show you some of the features of the band. On the first page you can see the time, date and battery percentage. On the next page you can see the steps counter, calories burnt, kilometers of running and walking. It tracks your heartbeats per minute by using the heart rate sensor on the back side. We can also track our blood pressure using this fitness band. You can see the heart rate sensor blinking. We can get notification of messages and calls while connected with the phone. They also provided a Find My Device feature. You can find your device if it was connected with the band. That's all for the unboxing and first impression, guys. Let's see how it performs in the long run. So, here we are after a month. I have been using this fitness band for more than a month now. I previously used a fitness tracker from Fit. So I compared my experience of using both the devices in this video. First of all, I'd like to tell you about the steps tracker. The steps tracker is not much accurate. It has a difference of about 15 to 20 steps at the end of the day. It's not much, but still it's considered as a count. The calorie tracker is pretty much accurate, but I'm not sure how it calculates the value. The distance tracker is pretty much accurate. It works really well when connected with the app. The heart rate sensor works surprisingly well. It gave the same value when compared with a much more expensive band. You can also measure your blood pressure using this fitness band. The value is pretty much accurate when compared with a digital BP monitor. We can get notification for calls and messages when connected with the phone. The notification is not working properly at all times. They have a dedicated application for the fitness band. I'll leave the link in the description, do check it out. We have to create an account on the app to keep our data for a long-term tracking. We can also use the third-party login, but I suggest you to create an account to keep track of your data. One of the best features of this fitness band is that it has a remote camera shutter. You just have to shake your hand to get the photo. But unfortunately, this feature is only available on the app and cannot be used in the default camera app. Now I'll show you how to take the picture using the fitness band. The app has a lot of features other than the remote camera function. You can keep track of your health data in the app by creating an account. It also has a care feature which allows you to track the health data of your friends and family. You can add your friends and family just by clicking the Add Friends icon. So, that's all I have to say, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.